Ghee has lot of health benefits, and what better way than to have it homemade and fresh. So to prepare the ghee, you need to collect the cream from boiled and cooled milk. You need to cool it for few hours and collect the cream. Here I have collected the cream for close to a month. So this is my cream collection, and I have not added any curd or anything to this mix. All the cream you need to add into a mixie to churn it. You can also use an electric blender to churn the mix and separate the butter from the milk. But if you use an electric blender, there will be a little bit of splattering around that happens, so mixie is a better option. And to this you need to add in either ice cubes or cold water, just a little bit, and you need to run the mixie till the butter separates from the milk. Here I've added the water twice, and you can see the butter has separated from the milk. And in a big container, here I'm collecting the butter. First the milk I'm separating. This milk is called as the buttermilk, and there are a lot of uses of this buttermilk as well. You can keep it and use it or discard it. And here I'm using a silicone spatula to scoop off all the cream, as it's quite helpful using a spatula like this. It helps in neatly scooping off all the butter. And once it's done, I'm collecting all the cream to one side so that I can separate the milk again. And see, you can see the milk which is separated. I'm going to remove that. And now what you need to do is you need to give the butter a nice wash, like a water bath. I'm adding in cold water, little bit is enough. You need to do this process at least twice. 3 to 4 times also you can do till you see a clear water coming out from the mix. See, you can see it's nicely washed. And after that, bring it all together and squeeze it a bit to remove any water trapped inside. And now the butter is ready. Next step is to just add it to a vessel and bring it to boil. If you're not able to collect cream, then from this process onwards you need to use you just start from this process using an unsalted butter. And it takes quite a bit of time for the butter to turn into ghee. So I thought, like, why not have some hot tea? And since my husband doesn't have tea, I've poured out some mixed fruit juice for him. So you need to wait for the butter to turn to ghee, and you don't need to keep on stirring it also. So allow it to keep boiling, and you can do your other work during this time. You can see it's boiling and it's yellow and frothy at this time. Keep watching to see how it turns, it changes its color. Here you can see that the color has changed. It's getting a nice golden color. And also I look for the milk solids to turn a light brownish in color. That's when I know that the ghee is ready. And you need to switch off the flame at this time and allow it to cool, and pour it into a glass jar and store it. Don't allow it to heat for more time, as you'll get a burnt taste. Do try out this easy way of making ghee at home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.